Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2016 Nissan Rogue SL all-wheel drive, stock number B9123A. Only 14,000 miles and there's one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, Arctic blue metallic in color. After our thorough inspection, it does qualify for our certified used vehicle program, giving you the balance of a 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 7-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. That's 2 years and 40,000 miles longer than the factory powertrain. Also includes emergency roadside assistance, towing, rental reimbursement, and trip interruption service, all available nationwide. Rogue seats 5, leather interior. Rear seats fold flat for additional cargo space. Rogue has advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward emergency braking, as well as backup camera for additional safety, hitch and wiring, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And not only low miles, but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SL has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, push button start, large, easy to read gauges, again only 14,000 miles. Steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system. 4 radio. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Also has dual zone automatic temperature control, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, automatic transmission, and heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto dimming mirror with home link transmitter for garage door open control. Under the hood, this Rogue has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 25 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that certified warranty protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB 9123A to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.